What's up, buddy? What's up, guys? Mac here. Just got back from a vacation with my mom, my dad, and my sister. We went to Vegas and spent a couple of days in LA. But the funny thing is, when I got to Las Vegas, I actually received a text from Dave, coincidentally. And basically, I ended up telling him that I was in the area. We're gonna be down in LA. So I was like, we should try and meet up. I would like to see your car. So he's like, hell yeah, let's do that. Text me when you're in LA, we'll meet up for sure. So I didn't bring my camera, my computer, nothing. I wasn't planning on vlogging, nothing. Just having a couple days to spend with my family. But I did end up buying a new camera down there. It's something I wanted to do anyways to produce better content for you guys. And basically we headed over to LA and we met up with Dave. So I wanted to show you what that was like, what his new Lamborghini's like, and we also talked a little bit about buying his old Gallardo. Not only did we meet up with Dave to go for a ride in his car, but we also ended up going to an Aston Martin car show in Newport Beach, California. And we also ended up meeting up a couple times over the weekend. So I wanted to show you guys what happened, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Tell me how you found my old Lamborghini after the crash.
So, very unexpectedly, I was looking for a truck for myself.
A truck?
Yes, a truck.
Okay.
Something smashed, something I could fix up and drive and then sell, because I'm in the car industry. I was basically done my searching. I didn't find anything I liked, but before I exited out of that program that we use, I searched by old model year first, and I seen this Lamborghini on there. I thought it was a regular old Gallardo. Yeah. And I seen the August stickers on the side. I was like, no way.
So you watched Daily Drivening's August before?
Every day.
Oh, man, I didn't know that. Hell yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it was pretty exciting. The car ran the following day, so I called up my brother, my dad, to see if this is something that we'd all be interested in.
Yeah.
And it ended up being our car.
So this is like a family project. You guys build cars, rebuild supercars, or not supercars, you rebuild cars.
Yeah, usually classic cars is our thing. So this is our first car in this realm of vehicle, so something new for us. We were obviously very scared buying a Lamborghini. We weren't sure what we were getting into, but it ended up turning out well. We got lucky with a lot of things like finding parts fast. We ended up finding another wrecked Gallardo down in Toronto.
So how long did it take you from the day you bought it to the day it was quote unquote done?
About a month's time.
A month?
A month's time.
Wow,
which is not bad.
That's pretty impressive, you guys.
Yeah.
So then you have a YouTube channel where you documented it. We're gonna show some footage in this vlog today. You picking the car up, you know, assessing the damage, and then, you know, the final project.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
The final product.
Final product, yeah.
Cool.
So what do you think of your new wrap?
I'm absolutely in love with this wrap. Here's the thing. Look at the wrap right there in the window. You can see it. Anyways, my best friend, Damon Fryer from Daily Drive Exotics, says I'm in the wrap because I'm not creative. However, when I got the car, wait almost 2 months for PFS to get it in. Yeah. And now it's done. I'm in love with it. It is a lot of attention. But down here, for you viewers, in LA, you can have a crazy wrap and people are somewhat used to it. Where we're from in small towns, it would be very interesting. People are like, who do you think you are? Oh, yeah. Right? Yeah. But I've always liked expressing myself through craziness because I'm kind of a crazy person. So I feel this wrap is a good reflection of my personality. So I am really happy to answer your question. As a YouTuber, you want bright because it's all about that thumbnail. Right. Watch your video. A black car. I honestly, I'll be truthful for you guys. The yellow was perfect for me. Yeah. I like the yellow. However, from a business perspective for DD and who we are, it needs to be crazier and crazier and crazier. That's what the internet wants. So we need to make sure that we're constantly pushing the envelope in design, color, and just content.
The car looks awesome, guys. I wish all you guys could see my view in person of this thing. And feel that as well. This car is crazy. What do you think versus our car?
Looks crazy in here, right?
Yeah.
Love love the colors. The whole experience was great with you and your car and the whole
Like the Squadron?
Oh, beautiful.
The different one?
Night and day. That's night.
I love them. And I'll always love my first Lamborghini. I'm so happy that you guys, my amazing family, team effort, rebuilt it.
Yeah, I want you to drive it again. So
I will come to Ontario. I'll drive that car. In the winter on snow tires.
Yes, we'll do that. We're gonna have a little rally or something.
You guys are rapping and playing LA.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Alright guys, we'll enjoy LA. Thanks for being on the channel. You guys, go follow these guys for more progress on the Lamborghini Gallardo. Max builds. Max builds. Oh,
Where are we, Maddie?
We are in Newport.
Doing what?
At the car show, baby!
Hey, look who it is!
What up?
It's Mac Attack.
What do you think?
It's got a new nickname. You like
Mac
it?
Attack? Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
It's got all the.
This is the Urus. I'm gonna write it off and you can rebuild it. You buy it for $40,000.
Oh, is it?
There you go.
Oh, really?
Build a digital beauty like this.
Is it one of a guy?
Wow, this thing's nuts.
Never seen an SUV with these in.
Is this yours?
It's my dad's.
Oh yeah. Thanks for letting me sit in it.
No problem. Did you ask to sit in it?
I didn't ask.
That's not very Canadian.
I know.
Mac.
Don't worry, we're all Canadian. I'm Canadian.
Are you?
From Toronto.
No way.
Hey, let's see what's under the hood. I've never seen the Urus power plant.
Here's the thing. I want to tune it to 900 horsepower. I want to do what basically already be bigger. What do you do? See, the one that
Every single person in the world makes it fast. Make it fast off-road. Like do like a Fox suspension build on it, lift it. You guys in? Put a bike rack on.
Okay, where's the gas cap?
So a funny story.
No, where's the gas cap?
Funny story, you're gonna laugh.
You're gonna...
When I rode off my car, it was at some dealership in San Francisco, and they said, what do you want from the car? So they gave me my shoes and the gas cap.
We have a shoe, by the way.
So I have the gas cap in Temecula. It should be there. Since I know you guys, I will send you back the $800 gas cap.
And we'll send you back your shoe.
I want my shoe that was left in the car. As well as, I had one more thing.
There's a bottle of water in there from the
I want the
airport.
water.
And there was
Fiji water?
No, it was from
Vancouver Airport water.
Vancouver
I'll throw it in the
Airport.
garbage. Throw it in the garbage. It's Fiji, I want it back. What else do I have? I do have a spare key for it.
Oh, you do?
I do.
And?
So let's negotiate.
Let's barter.
This isn't UNICEF, you guys. I gotta make money too.
Newport Beach. Say goodbye to Newport Beach.
Bye, Newport.
So I was with Dave earlier today and he told us to meet him later tonight on Rodeo Drive, which is where we are right now. He said he's gonna get some cars out and have some fun, so let's go check out and see what's going on.
I don't know if I'm happy about it though.
you gotta be careful.
Alex Choi, come here in the outro, please. Come here in the outro for a second. It's Alex Choi, you guys.
You can't just stun me like this.
Alex Choi is famous.
All right, Dave, the trip is done.
You have fun?
Time for me to go back to the cold.
Is it cold back home yet?
It's gonna be cold.
Really?
Winter weather, yeah.
Sweater weather.
Winter weather.
Did you have fun in LA?
Had a great time.
You gonna move down here?
I would love to move down here.
Okay, I have one request for you. Take my old car and wrap it in memory of Dave DDE.
We'll see what we do.
But don't copy this wrap.
So there you guys have it, a DDE and LA experience. What do you guys think? Should I take Dave's advice and wrap this car, or should I leave it black? Let me know in the comments below. What a fun time it was to be hanging out with those guys in LA. I can only imagine what it'd be like to do that every day, drive nice cars in the sunniest most beautiful place in probably the United States. I'd definitely love to do that full time. While I was away, I've got the taillights tinted on the car, and I've also got the tint on the windows done. But that pretty much concludes the vlog for this week. I know it's quite a bit different from my typical vlog. It's more of like a travel documentation kind of thing. Let me know what you guys thought of this vlog in the comments below. In next week's vlog, I might show a little bit more of the classic cars, and I might go into a little bit more detail of what we did on this car. I didn't really show too much close-ups of the actual area of the car that we welded and painted, so I want to give you guys a clear vision of that. And I guess we'll see you guys next week.